Police. You say, Happy Halloween. Come on. Joshua Abbott. Shh. No cry. Come here. Come back. Come back. Come back. Wait, honey. Hold Tita hands. Hold Tita hands. Come here. Hold mommy hands. Wait. We're going to cross. Okay. Come on, honey. Come on, honey. Yes. Oh, over there. There's a fire. There's a fire. Ate, there's a fire. Oh. Come. Ang lidibag. Go lidibag. Trick or treats. Happy Halloween, guys. Is it Happy Halloween? Happy Halloween. Thank you. Joshua, come on, honey. Come on. Oh, wow. Did you say thank you? Oh, you say thank you and Happy Halloween. Always say Happy Halloween and thank you, ah. Honey, oh, go in the other. There's more.
Let's go down this way.
There's one that. Liam, come on, honey. Liam, come here, honey. We will go in the other side now. We will go other side, honey. Come on, go. Sige na. Come on, honey. We will go there. Go there and then go here. No, we will go in this way. Okay, come on, honey. Come on, honey. Okay. Banana boat. Oh, sige na.
Yeah, he's on Haymore. He's right.
Okay, go. Come here. Go. It's a Happy Halloween. Trick or treats. Go. Always say thank you, ah. Always say thank you and Happy Halloween. Are you done, honey? Yeah.
Mom, we still have to go there.
No. We will go here. We will go here.
We're going here.
No, we're going to go over there. This is Carol.
Oh.
Say Happy Halloween. Andito na. Say Happy Halloween. Okay, come on, let's go, honey.
Go backwards.
Come on, honey, come on.
Go to this right here and then start down that way.
Okay.
Across the street.
Okay. Mary Joyce. Okay, let them go in that house and then go. Nobody's house there. Cross the street neck. Wait for Tita. Wait for Tita. Huh? Wait. Hold mommy. Hold Tita hands. Hold Tita hands.
Where's that?
Car. Don't run. Joshua. Go. Car. Okay, come on. Everybody. Hey. We are in the street. You listen, Joshua Abbott, ha? Do not play in the road, honey. Ay, si Joshua talaga. Over there. Go, trick or treats. Hi, honey. Ang duhabi na. Police and the Ripper. Come on, honey. Come here. It's okay. Over there. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
And then what we're doing, Mom.
I'm not sure. Oh, sorry. They're done. They're done. I think they're done. Let's go, honey.
And then come back here. Then come back here and we'll go down that.
Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Dito kami. Sobrang lamig. Ja, trick or treats. I got honey. Okay, go, 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 honey, go. Liam, go, honey, go, honey. Say Happy Halloween. Thank you. Happy Halloween, guys. Thank you. Come on, honey. Over here. No, we will go in the other side. Oh, there's one house there. One house. Go, 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 go. Run, run, run. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Dad is waiting. Just only that house, honey. Just knock the door. Wala siguro tao.
Look at the unicorn right in the back.
Oh, that's so cute. The unicorn.
Oh, look at that.
Come on. Come here, Daddy. Come on. Let's go. Daddy's waiting. Come on. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Quickly. Here. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. No running, Liam. No running, honey. The cucumber.
No.
Come on.
Let me hold your bucket.
Oh. Follow Tito, follow Tito, follow Tito, follow Tito. Joshua, are you okay? Here, give me, honey. Oh, go. Joshua, come on, honey.
Wait, Mom, can you hold this real quick? I need to eat a crunch.
Come on, come on, come on.
Dump this inside.
I wish you would listen. We would have already been over there on the other way around.
Here,
Thank you.
go.
I got a big one, but if I need to...
You have a big bag. Wow. Okay, go. There's more houses there. Oh, no, over here. Mary. Okay. Come on, honey, come on. Come on, Lalo.
Are you a demon? No, I'm a demon.
Full-size candy bars?
Huh?
Do y'all want full-size candy bars? Because I know where the full-size candy bars are.
Oh, wait, I think I got one already. Like,
No, you gotta go down there. You gotta go down here.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Wait, honey. Go to...
Not here. You have to go down another street and go down there.
It's okay, thank you. Go, trick or treats.
Here.
Happy Halloween. Go, it's a trick or
Doing,
treat.
Josh, we're not eating
Eat.
it now.
Eat later. Go there, go there.
All right, give it some. Don't you open up anymore.
Pick it up.
I only have one piece of candy.
Okay.
And bubble.
It's just...
Soda.
What are you doing, Mary?
They
Oh,
gave
oh.
it out. It was on like this doorstep.
Okay. Oh, that's a candy all?
Yeah.
Happy Halloween. Thank you. Okay. Okay, honey.
What did
Hi.
that say?
Oh, no, yeah.
Look, that's the same color on my mom has, but it's not black.
Oh, wow.
Hold on.
Na sila, oh.
Hold on.
Okay, bye-bye. Today is October 31st, 2025.
I love when we go to